Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here, basically, we are talking about one topic, that is cities creation, and the time is basically 14/12. That is 14 December 2023, and time is 6 o'clock and 33 minutes. So that is the time basically, and we are discussing here one topic, that is. So one of the person told that yeah, how basically the earthquakes are coming basically. So one of the person told that basically, practically he explained the thing basically. You can see these earthquakes. Just see basically in video you see. Practically you see everything. And time is 6:33. See this practically you see.
गुजरात से आई बड़ी खबर। अमरेली में लगे भूकंप के झटके, लोगों के बीच फैली दहशत। गुजरात से एक बड़ी खबर सामने आ रही है। गुजरात के अमरेली में भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए। रिक्टर स्केल पर इसकी तीव्रता 3.2 दर्ज की गई। भूकंप आज सुबह करीब 7:51 पर आया और इसका केंद्र अमरेली शहर से करीब 43 किलोमीटर दक्षिण पूर्व में जमीन की 3.2 किलोमीटर की गहराई में स्थित था। जानकारी के मुताबिक आज गुजरात में सुबह होते ही देश के 2 राज्यों में भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए। वहीं बीते 12 घंटों में देश में कुल 3 जगह धरती हिली। अब गुजरात के सौराष्ट्र क्षेत्र के अमरेली जिले में सुबह करीब 7:45 बजे 3.2 तीव्रता के भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए। जैसे ही भूकंप के झटके लगे, लोगों के बीच दहशत फैल गई। राहत की बात यह रही कि इसमें किसी के हताहत होने या फिर संपत्ति के नुकसान की कोई खबर नहीं है। इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सिस्मोलॉजिकल रिसर्च यानी ISR ने अपने अपडेट में कहा है कि भूकंप का केंद्र अमरेली शहर के 43 किलोमीटर दक्षिण पूर्व यानी SSE में रिकॉर्ड किया गया है। जाहिर है कि इससे पहले मणिपुर के उखरुल में भी शनिवार सुबह भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए। ये भूकंप सुबह 6:14 पर आया। इसकी जानकारी राष्ट्रीय भूकंप विज्ञान केंद्र ने दी, जिसके मुताबिक उखरुल में 4.0 की तीव्रता से भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए। इससे पहले शुक्रवार रात उत्तर प्रदेश के शामली में भी भूकंप के झटके महसूस किए गए थे, जिसकी रिक्टर स्केल पर तीव्रता की बात की जाए तो वो 3.2 थी। शुरुआती जानकारी के अनुसार भूकंप की वजह से किसी तरह के जानमाल के नुकसान की कोई खबर नहीं है। तो वहीं
So this was actually one topic basically, and this is basically live data. So this is not fake data basically. So one of the person told that basically just now basically you saw the video, right, basically in Amreli and the Uttar Pradesh basically, and Gujarat and the Uttar Pradesh basically got 2 earthquakes basically, right? So one of the person told that basically how basically Gujarat is created and how basically the Uttar Pradesh is created. So one of the person told that it might be created from few blood groups basically. It might be created from few blood groups. So in Gujarat basically Amreli basically is the city basically. How basically the Amreli is created? Then he told that it might be possible that E blood group basically might be the data. Just taking as an example, in real basically nobody might be knowing that basically which data basically might be that. So the data is E blood group. So in E blood group basically, on the base of E blood group, the earthquake basically was came. Sorry, on the base of E blood group basically the this is basically example basically. In real basically data might be totally different. So he told that basically E was the blood group on the base of E blood group. In Gujarat basically Amreli is one city basically. In Amreli basically that city created on the base of E blood group. So that person told that okay basically. Now one of the person told that basically E blood group actually created that, but why basically E blood group created and in Amreli only basically the earthquake happened. Then one of the person told that basically from Amreli basically the one human needs basically was getting created, that was chili. Chili means green chili basically. You basically spicy green chili basically. That is mirchi basically. Green color. That basically from that city basically energy basically city energy means umbrella equal to created converted into one software basically, and that software basically was generating the chili basically, that is the green chili. So that chili basically was having some problem basically. What problem? That basically that only medical team basically was medical team only basically can able to tell. Due to that basically that person basically who was the E blood group owner, he got some problem basically in eye basically, and in some other stomach part, and basically in his private part, and basically leg part, lots of 4 3 parts basically, he basically got some problem basically. So due to that basically that person basically went to the hospital, and then basically the blood basically was checked. In this blood check basically the doctor basically got the information that he basically has eaten one chili, that is green chili, that was basically created from that was basically created from that was created from green chili means this green chili. I will just explain in deep basically. Green chili basically. Basically we can do one thing here basically. This green chili I am talking about. You can see this green chili, yes, that green chili. So due to that green chili basically, he got one disease basically, and that disease basically affected 3 4 body parts basically. One is eye, second is stomach, third is private part of his body, then basically the leg basically. In private part basically that was goatee basically, from where basically the toilet basically comes. So that basically got affected basically. Due to that blood cells basically was checked. In that blood cells basically the doctors basically got that due to this basically this infection basically happened. So the doctor told that basically he was basically honor basically, that immediately they basically given this case to the World Bank basically. Why World Health Organization? Because this is going to affect to 90 crore basically, 90 crore people basically. It's going to affect to the 90 crore people basically. So just see basically up to what level the things basically are connected. So immediately he is given the case to the World Bank basically, and World Bank basically told that basically this was the city basically from Amreli basically. Amreli was the city basically from where software and energy was created, and from Amreli basically energy basically one software was created, and from software energy basically they created this one chili. Here basically data is wrong. Data is basically totally fake data. In this basically there is no like chili disease basically, and there is no like Amreli basically who generated the software. Here basically just taking as an example basically why basically the earthquakes are coming. So this is clear basically. Now basically the Amreli was the energy basically, on the base of that the data got created. That is clear. That is chili basically got created. So due to that basically it was created from that land basically. So they told that basically around 15 to 16 building basically was used in this chili creation. So they basically tracked that 16 to 14 buildings basically. So but that problem basically what it was affected to the lots of body parts basically. So they basically clearly given the earthquakes to entire Amreli city basically. Entire Amreli city basically. Like this, assume that basically next video basically we are going to see a little bit more about this thing in next part basically.